Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a free pack of presets for Lightroom and Photoshop. It's Valentine's Day, so this pack is perfect for wedding photos. Of course, at the end you can use them however you like. I use them in everything. Before we go to Lightroom to show you the presets, I encourage you to experiment with them. Don't just apply them and call it a day. Check the settings, the curves. This way you'll understand more about photo editing and you'll gradually develop your own style. Also, every camera has its own color science, so use the preset and adjust it according to your camera and of course according to your eyes. Now let's go to Lightroom and let me show you how to use them. Okay guys, the first thing is to install the presets. So we're gonna come here in this site where it says add new presets on the plus button, and we're gonna just click it, and then we're going to put import presets, and then you just need to find the place where you save the presets that I'm gonna give you. Of course, it's gonna be a Google Drive link in the description. You just click on it, download the preset, and that's it. Okay, now you're gonna see that when you click here you have this pack 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 presets. So you're just gonna select them all and put import. I'm not gonna do it because I already did, so I'm just gonna cancel, and as you can see you have them here as Technomac 2026-1. What does it mean -1? You have to subscribe because it means it's the first pack of presets that I'm giving away, because there are gonna be many more during the year. So these are the presets. Now for this picture there's a lot of greens around, so I'm gonna give this moody green color. And you can already see that the picture is pretty cool. If you put how it was before and how it is now, it is a big difference. Remember that you have the slider here, so you can actually add more of the preset or take out the preset completely, so you can just play around with this. Let's go for the next example, and here there's no many greens. You see more like the leaves are already dry. It looks more like autumn. So let's use this autumny preset. And look at this, it makes it super cool. This is one of my favorites, so you have to try them all. Now we're gonna go to the next picture. Let's use this one over here. There is a lot of light here, so you cannot see many details here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this highlight text, and you can see now the difference. I would put how it was before, and you can see no details, and now you can see all the details of this beautiful dress. Even the skin colors are more natural, but again, you have to try it in your picture because all cameras are different. So you have to try it in your picture and then start to do these tweaks around here, okay? But these are the presets. As you can see, they are pretty cool, very nice, so enjoy them. Guys, if you like the presets, I have many more packs that I've given away, from presets, LUTs, and a lot of stuff. So I will leave you the link here of the playlist with everything I gave for free. Also, I will leave it in the description so you can check them out. And let me know what you thought of the presets in the comments. And now, until next week.